Hello everyone and welcome to EduTap. So guys, as the new year is approaching, so are the notifications for the upcoming exams. So guys, as we expect, the notifications for SEBI and RBI are about to be out soon. And this is the right time we started preparing for the exams. So guys, in this session, we'll be discussing the weekly plan for English session for your phase 1 for grade A for SEBI, RBI and NABARD as well. So if you are preparing for any of these three exams, this series will definitely help you. So guys, to find the PDFs of these sessions for free, you can join our Telegram channel, the link for which has been given in the description of the video, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss any important updates or any videos. And guys, if you wish to contact us for anything, you can contact us on these details given below. So let's start with the session, guys. So basically what we need to understand in phase 1, obviously, I mean, the paper has been, the pattern of the paper has been recently changed. RBI also changed the pattern and SEBI also have changed the pattern for the exams, and we are expecting the same for NABARD. But still, nonetheless, there are basically three verticals that we would be preparing for this particular exam. Now, these three verticals are the most important verticals for your paper. Number one being grammar part. That is very, very important. Second is vocabulary, on which there are definitely questions every year. And third is, and the most important is your comprehension ability. So guys, in grammar, you need to have concept clarity. You need to remember the do's, the don'ts, the rules and the correct concepts to build up the foundation and to understand and to grasp the questions. In vocabulary, you need to memorize the words, you need to repetitively use them so that you are able to identify the words and you are able to identify their meanings. And third, and the most important, comprehension ability. In this, you require efficiency and accuracy. Now, efficiency in the sense in how long or in how much time you attempt your comprehension passage, your cloze test, your rearrangement, and how accurate you are with your answers. So we'll be working on all the three verticals in this series, and today is the first day of this series, and we'll be starting these sessions from the next session onwards, which would be every Tuesday and every Thursday of the week at 5 p.m. and you can join us and you can watch these sessions and you can practice your concepts. And for if you want to purchase our courses, you can also visit us on our website, which is www.edutap.co.in, or you can call us on this number which is on the bottom of your screen, 81462072241, or you can also drop us an email at hello@edutap.co.in. So let's look at the weekly plan for phase 1. Now guys, in the first 2 weeks, we'll be starting with the basics of your grammatical part. We'll start with verbs, tenses, subject verb agreement, noun and pronoun, which is the basics of your language. In week 3rd and 4th, we'll be covering the second phase of your grammar, that is preposition, complex preposition, phrasal verbs, synonym, antonyms, which includes a bit of vocabulary. In week 5 and week 6, we'll be covering rearrangement, cloze test and reading comprehension. So the journey for your preparation and your practice sessions will be done in the first 6 weeks, that is 1.5 months from now onwards. And after that, from week 7, we'll be starting revision and practicing. So in week 7 and week 8, we'll be revising, we'll be taking mock test, and we'll be discussing a few more vocabulary sessions. Then in week 9 and week 10, we'll be discussing previous year questions, some mock test and revision sessions for your vocabulary and grammatical sessions. And in the last 2 weeks, week 11 and week 12, we'll be again taking a few more previous year questions, revision sessions and vocabulary based sessions. So guys, this is the plan for the next 4 months, give or take. And if we stick to our routine, if we stick to these sessions, we'll be able to practice and evolve, and we'll be able to capitalize on our preparation, guys. So this is the plan for the upcoming series for the next 3 months. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to join us, so that we'll be able to help you throughout your journey. Now guys, as we are known for producing the best results in the market, now how to cover the content? Now guys, first of all, we need to understand all theories are important. You need to be well versed with the concepts and key theories that would be taught to you in these sessions, and which has been also covered in the sessions of the courses. So all theories are important. stress on key concepts, focus on lesser known rules, because these are the rules which are more prone to be asked in the exams. Then mock questions and previous year questions for practice are very, very important, that they will build up your confidence. So guys, in the next 3 months, next 4 months, give or take, we'll be taking up a thorough revision of all the important concepts, all the important verticals of your exam, and we'll be providing you all the sessions so that you can practice with us and you can look into your preparation strategy. So guys, that was the introduction. That was the weekly plan for the next 3 months for this series. And again, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on any of the sessions. And if you want the PDFs and the regular updates, you can join our Telegram channel, the link for which has been given in the description of the video. So I thank you all for your time, and I invite you to join us, and I want you to share this session with anyone and everyone out there who would be needing it, who actually requires this type of preparation, and somebody who is actually in need of this. So don't forget to share this session, don't forget to share our channel, don't forget to share our name. That may prove beneficial for someone out there. And if you wish to contact us for anything, you can call us on this number 814626207241, or you can also drop us an email at hello@edutab.co.in. And if you wish to visit us for our courses, this is our website, www.edutab.co.in. So I wish you all the success for this journey. I wish you all the best for your preparations in life. Let's keep it, let's strive to be to be in our best, and let's do our best in this exam. So all the very best, keep up the good work, and happy learning to all of you guys.